back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, let me go ahead and say today's job lead video is going to be a hodgepodge of different things. In the last year and a half that I have been doing this, searching for work from home jobs and sharing them on YouTube, I have found Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays are always the better days for job leads. Mondays and Fridays sometimes are not the greatest, but I spend hours every day on different job boards just searching for what they have, and so I do have some job leads that might fit somebody, so I just thought I would share. So there's no rhyme or reason to today's video. Some are customer service, some might be non-phone, some are healthcare, some are night shift, some are day shift, so maybe we have a little bit of something for everyone. Some of these pay up to $30 an hour. As always, the links to everything I share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. I will leave timestamps for the companies in the description box as well. Please give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoy any of these job leads. That will give me that direct feedback and let me know. And of course, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, first up, we have Sirius XM. They are still looking for a call center response specialist. Now, I shared a position like this a while back, but either they are hiring again or they are still looking for someone. Even though it specifically says they're in Irving, Texas, the box over to the side right here for a bilingual call center specialist says work from home. This job was on another page in a box just like this that said work from home, so it is remote. But they are basically looking for somebody to handle those incoming customer calls from either landlines or in vehicle applications. The calls may be related to points of interest destination, stolen vehicle information, roadside assistance, remote phone applications, emergency collision calls, or just troubleshooting the general customer service questions. You'll consistently utilize effective communication and knowledge retention to recall speed and efficiency with creative problem solving to just help the customer solve any issues that they're having. You will have to connect and build rapport with that customer with a different variety of customers. So you need to make sure you have empathy, active listening skills, and you can offer solutions that really cater to the customer's needs. You'll be diffusing high tension situations when they arise. You'll have to use multiple computer systems and various tools to stay abreast on any changes and new information that you can use to help the customers. Now, no college degree is needed for this position, just 1 to 2 years of customer service experience and a high school diploma or GED. Now, they do want somebody who can deliver excellent customer service, has great interpersonal skills. You do have to be fluent in English with those great communication skills, strong attention to detail, and the ability to multitask. Now, this is for the United States only. All these positions I'm sharing are for the United States only. Now, this is going to be a full-time position, but they did not list the pay in the job description. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. If healthcare is more your thing, we have the company Rupa Health. Now, Rupa Health only has 15 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor, so please make sure you're doing your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a high rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars though, and they are looking for a remote operations specialist. Now, Sabrina seems like the manager of this team that they're hiring for. So Sabrina has a little bit of information about her in the job posting, but they're specifically looking for someone to just do some clerical work for this healthcare company. You're going to do administrative tasks related to lab orders. You'll also have to contact customers through the phone and email, doing customer support with like practitioners over lab orders, making sure that the lab ordering is done in a quality manner. You'll have to do some data entry and data transferring and back-end improvements for the processes that you use. Pay for this position is $40,000 a year. A standard benefit package that includes health insurance, dental, vision, paid time off is all included. But they're looking for somebody who is highly organized, has great time management skills, and can be a problem solver with strong communication and those basic customer service skills. Moving right along, though, we have the company Intoxalock. Now, they have had several different work from home positions in the past. I have shared this company on this channel before. They have 120 reviews with a 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a service center documentation specialist. Now, Intoxalock makes those little blow devices that are put on cars when you get DUIs that you have to blow into to make the car start. And so they're looking for a specialist to be responsible for obtaining and processing all necessary company and state required documentation and information to complete their service center location, technician onboarding, and renewals. This means you're going to be reviewing incoming documents for customers, accounting to state laws, regulations, and any company policies. You're going to ensure these documents are properly stored so that they can be accessed by regulatory compliance. You'll correspond with state officials, monitoring authorities to activate or renew anything in a timely manner, processing and maintaining daily control reports. You will be handling sensitive and confidential information. You're also going to have to handle inbound and outbound calls to service centers as necessary to inform, educate the partners and technicians of any deficiencies identified through inspections, audits, or anything like that. So this is going to require some phone work. Now, they do prefer a 4-year degree. It does say they'll take equivalent business experience over that, but they need somebody who has strong communication skills, somebody who can be very organized and detail-oriented. Of course, you have to have great computer skills and know how to use those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, things like that, and strong attention to detail. Moving on right along, next up we have the company Influx Data. Influx Data has 73 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a content associate. Now, this is going to be a contract position. Now, Influx Data has a time series platform. They have 1,900 customers that use their platform to collect, store, and analyze time-sensitive data. So they are basically looking for somebody to copy editing in a critical component of good content. So they need someone who is great eye for language and grammar, someone who can watch the watchers, so to speak. You'll work with everything from blogs, technical papers, videos, web copies, things like that. You'll be distributing this content using a content management system. So you'll have to format this material in HTML format for the web and ensure everything renders correctly when it is actually published. You'll maintain the company's style guide when you are putting out content, organizing any content and material so it's easily accessible and easy to find, writing basic copy for items such as emails and newsletters as well. Because there's a lot of writing involved, they are looking for a degree in some kind of writing department like history, literature, or journalism. They want somebody who has strong grammar skills, strong editing skills, and of course that experience with the HTML. Now, if you have these skills in this degree, pay is very good for this position, anywhere from $26 an hour all the way up to $30 an hour. If day shift jobs are not your thing, though, next up we have Hinge Health. They have 260 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring someone for their night shift for the Associate Member Support Specialist. Again, this is remote for the United States. Now, Hinge Health is trying to create a new healthcare system built around the patient. They're trying to help new program members get started and current ones to get quick, efficient support. So they're trying to develop these strong, positive relationships right now with their patients. So they're basically looking for somebody to do that basic customer service, assessing member support needs, and providing any solutions with a focus on being responsive and transparent. Of course, you're going to have to develop knowledge of the product offerings, including common technical challenges and troubleshooting techniques and critical documentation protocols. Of course, you're going to have to provide that world-class customer service support, addressing all the customer issues using different various software tools you are given. Now, this is for the night shift. They are looking for someone specifically to work Saturday through Wednesday, having Thursday, Friday off, 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. They need somebody who has 2 years of some kind of customer support experience, someone who has great communication skills and has that flexibility to work those nights and weekends in your schedule. Now, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but is anywhere from $16.06 an hour all the way up to $26.63 an hour. On this channel, I am always trying to include different types of job leads for you, some things that you're not seeing all the time on other channels. But of course, as always, if there is something specific that you're looking for, please feel free to leave that in the comment section, because I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed any of these job leads. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.